This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099K on FreeTaxUSA. First, ensure you have your Form 1099K ready, which details payment card and third-party network transactions. Log into your FreeTaxUSA account and navigate to the Federal section. You'll want to find the income entry area to begin inputting your information. This process is straightforward, guiding you step by step through each required field for accurate reporting. Once in the income section, look for options related to other income or business income, depending on your specific situation. FreeTaxUSA provides clear prompts for entering the details from your Form 1099K. Make sure to accurately transfer the amounts, such as gross amount of reportable payment transactions, into the corresponding boxes. Precision here is key for correct tax calculation. After inputting your Form 1099K data, take a moment to review everything. Compare the figures on your screen with your actual document to catch any potential errors. Ensure the income is properly categorized, as this impacts other parts of your return. Once you're confident in your entries, you can move forward to other sections like deductions or credits, knowing your 1099K is handled. With your Form 1099K information entered and reviewed, continue completing the rest of your FreeTaxUSA return, including any other income, deductions, or credits. Once everything is finalized, you can electronically file your federal and state returns or print them for mailing. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.